You want to make your content searchable on TikTok and can't seem to figure out how to do it? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your content searchable on TikTok so that people can find you all over the web. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Keenya Kelly, TikTok consultant for female coaches, and I'm going to teach you how to make your content searchable on the platform so that your target customers can reach you easier. So when I first got onto the TikTok platform, I was just actually creating fun content, but I wasn't actually thinking about the SEO, the search engine optimization. I wasn't thinking about that. And so I made a lot of mistakes. But today, you don't have to make those mistakes. And I want to give you my very top tips on how to get your content to be searchable. First things first, if you really want to maximize on this, then you need to make sure that you record your content into your camera phone and not on the TikTok app. Yeah, I know this is an extra step you probably don't want to have to take, but you should take it. And here's why. Because when you record a video into your camera roll, you can actually save the video as a how-to so that it's searchable. What do I mean by that? So when you record a video on TikTok, it's on TikTok, you write a description, post it, that's it. But if you record a video on your camera roll and then you like airdrop it to your computer, well, you can save that video as how to make your content searchable, how to basket weave or whatever. And then you take the video because it's renamed as the file name. Now you upload that into the TikTok platform. And so what happens is with SEO and artificial intelligence, it is telling everybody when they're searching for how to basket weave, how to make your content searchable or whatever, your video is popping up because number one, the video is renamed with that. So again, I know it's an extra step, but if you're going to put out content anyway, and you want to maximize every single piece of content that you put out, then the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you record that video into your camera roll, not on TikTok. The second thing you're going to want to do is be mindful of the text on screen, because when you have text on screen, you're telling TikTok what this video is about, and then you're also telling SEO what this video is about. So if you have on screen how to get more views, how to make your content more searchable, how to basket weave, then guess what's happening? What's going to happen is that when someone's on TikTok or on Google and they're searching for the same topic, that's going to give your video another searchability opportunity because the text is on screen. The third thing you're going to want to do is the descriptions, okay? You're going to want to make sure you put whatever it is that's happening in your video. I'm not saying that you got to name the file the exact same name. How to make your content searchable, text on screen, how to make your content more searchable, description, how to make it. I'm not saying it has to be the exact same thing, but the point is that with each piece of content that you're getting ready to put out on TikTok, you want to make that stuff searchable. So you could probably go to the website, which is called Answer the Public, okay? Answer the Public, and then you can type in there basket weaving or searchable content or whatever. That's going to tell you what key phrases people are actually searching. You could name your video how to make your content searchable. You could put the text on screen, searchable content tips, and then in the description, you could put something else, but it's still what people are searching the most, and that's going to help you make your content more searchable. The next thing you can do is you can use a personal hashtag. If I want somebody specifically to find Keenya Kelly, right, then I can use the hashtag Keenya Kelly. And if anyone comes onto TikTok looking for Keenya Kelly, then the videos are going to pop up because of that hashtag. However, most times you don't want to do hashtag your name because that's not necessarily SEO. It's just kind of like vanity or whatever. You do want to make sure that it is something that people are searching, right? So you literally can go into TikTok in the upper right-hand corner where there's the magnifying glass, and you can put in searchable content, basket weaving or whatever. And guess what's going to happen? If you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see what people are searching, okay? You can see the hashtags people are searching. So make sure you use hashtag basket weaving, hashtag searchable content, and then you're going to see all the different things that are connected to that particular topic of the hashtags that people are using. And so these are very, very, very simple things you can do every single day to make your content more searchable, because I don't know about you, but I don't want to have to make content every day. I want to make sure that pieces of content that I'm putting out there a year from now, if someone comes on to TikTok and searches searchable content, I want to make sure that I come up in that search. And so the best things you can do are all the tips that we mentioned here in this video. Now, if you like this video, make sure you hit like and comment below and ask me any questions you have about TikTok. And if you like me, make sure you hit subscribe on the channel.